This is Ian from beatrader.org and welcome to this week's market preview. In this week's market preview we're going to have a look at the Great British Pound versus the American dollar, the New Zealand dollar versus the American dollar and the Australian dollar versus the American dollar. But to start with, we're going to start off with the United States dollar versus the Japanese yen. Now, what's been really interesting about this market, as we can see, we've had the move up which has then come back down and we've reacted off this lovely area of support. So what I'm going to be looking for potential trades in the coming week is, can we break those highs just at about 10,740, because if we can, we look good for some further upside. We might just stall about the 10,800 level, so we've got a little bit of space there, and then we could be looking to go through that all the way back up to 11,000. So I'll be looking for those levels. Alternatively, only if it was to come back down would I then look for a potential break of this area to look for some short action, but at this moment in time I'm far more bullish than bearish. Now if we go into pound versus American dollar, what we can see here is we've been trending down. So what I'm actually looking to see is, can we break the trend? We've got the recent highs of October as well as this last area here that we can see. And this is why if we can break that area, we could look really nice for long opportunities. The other thing we could also consider, if we move a little bit higher, it might be that we could take some short opportunities. So I would be looking for both directions on pound versus dollar. Now we've got New Zealand versus American dollar. What we can see again on this one, similar to the first market, is that we've come back to this area and we're starting to put in a bit of sell signal. So what I'll be looking for is there potential short opportunities if the market starts to move down. Alternatively, if this fails and we break higher, then I'm going to look long, but in the short term over the coming week I would look short. And lastly is the Australian dollar versus the American dollar. We can see that we've come down to this really strong support area. Now this one's currently right now no man's land, but if we can break these highs or these lows, we look good in both directions, because that will confirm a new high which will confirm a new uptrend, or alternatively to break down will continue the downtrend. So plenty of opportunities, guys. If you want to learn how to trade the FX markets, visit beatrader.org and sign up for a free course today so you can start making money from FX trading. Thanks for watching this preview and I'll see you next week.